2026, food will be one of the most important investments you can make, and it starts right in your backyard.
Rising food prices, supply disruptions, and climate making households more vulnerable than ever.
Backyard farming turns unused space into a steady source of fresh, healthy food. With simple tools, containers, compost, and water-efficient systems, anyone can grow vegetables at home. No farmland required. Home food production reduces dependence on markets, cuts food waste, and supports a more sustainable food system. It's like your own money. In 2026, food security will begin at home. Start small, grow smart, and secure your future.
Follow for more videos.